I am Aditya. I will be teaching you mathematics over here at askIITians. I have 5 years of experience teaching kids like you who are just not just aiming for your school exams, who are aiming for to able to go above and beyond it. So let's go and understand it. Okay. Yes. So let me just introduce you to a game. Yes. The weighing scale game, the weighing balance game. Okay. Wait, let me just reset it. Okay. Now, you have to tell me, everybody. You have to tell me what? You have to tell me in one bag. You have to tell me how many cubes are there in one bag. How many cubes are there in one bag? How can you tell that? Any ideas? Please tell me. Using this game, what you can do is you can subtract the number of bags, add the number of bags, or add the number of cubes. Do anything over here, okay? So you are open to do anything over here. So please tell me. Yes, two participants have raised hands. Give me 1 second. Who have raised hands? Okay, yes, starting with Srihari. Yes, Srihari, please tell me.
Sir, there are actually six cubes in one color. So we can find that out because on the first side there are 3 bags with unknown number of bricks, and then there's one outside. The second scale, the second one, there are 2 bags full of, and then there's only one block left.
So each bag has how many cubes, Srihari?
Yeah, it has 6 cubes, sir.
It has 6 cubes. Now you used your knowledge, right? But I'm asking you to go by purely intuition, okay? Purely your logics and your intuitions. Do not use any information that you must have gained from your teachers, okay? Do not use that information. Yes, Tanveer. Tanveer.
So find the width of one bag
How? That's what I'm saying. How?
by subtracting the amount of bags we have.
By subtracting the amount of bags. From where?
Look, we have an option on top, like we subtract like how many bags we have on the scale. We subtract it 200 so we can find the weight of one bag.
So where do I subtract?
And
On the left side, on the right side?
So right side.
Right side? Okay, let me subtract. Now what? You have unbalanced the scale. Should the scale be unbalanced?
No.
No.
Then
So what
on
shall
the
I
left
do?
side,
What
on
shall
the
I
left-
do?
Sir, you should subtract one bag from the left side.
Yes,
Oh,
I
same.
should, for the sake that I did over here, I should do the same thing on the left side.
You have
Now-
to do it. Yeah.
Now what?
Now it's equal.
Now it's equal, but still we have not
Sir,
found out the
now,
value of one bag.
remove
Yeah.
one cube from the right side and then one bag from the left side.
Okay, one cube from. What if I subtract one bag on both the sides? Yes.
No, sir, don't do that.
Don't do that. Why not?
It will not be equal.
It won't be equal.
So I can
Will
remove
be
one bag
equal,
from the
sir.
left side.
Now it's equal.
So one bag is equals to how many blocks? How many blocks? 7 blocks. Yes.
Yeah.
I
What is happening? Wait.
supposed to be 6.
Okay. One bag is equals to 7 blocks. Wait. There is an issue over here. Wait. We can rebalance over here by adding what?
So you have to
This-
subtract the number of blocks.
Wait, let's reset it. Let's reset it, okay? So what do we need to do, everybody? We need to make the number of bags equal, okay? On the one side, we are going to get the number of bags, and on the other side, we are going to keep the number of cubes, okay? Yes? So I remove one bag, right? And over here, I'm going to remove one bag from here as well, okay? Yes? One bag from over here and one bag from over here, okay? Yes? Now?
Sir,
Now?
now you do.
So now you can subtract one bag from this side.
But
Is
for
it a
that,
bag?
I'll have to do what? For that, I'll have to do what? I will remove first over here. Yes, cube from over here. Then one bag is equals to 6 blocks. Okay? One bag has 6 blocks. Are you getting my point? Yes? Let's take one more. Okay? Yeah? Let's take one more. So, over here, we have 2 bags on one side and 1 bag on one side. And how many blocks over here?
There are 10 blocks on the right side and 7 plus 6.
7 blocks.
7 on the
Yes,
left.
7 blocks on one side. Okay.
Sir, I need
So,
an equation to solve.
we can use equations now. Where surely we can do that. Easily it would be done. But what we are doing is we are understanding the intuition. Okay. Whatever we do to the left side, we do to the right side. Okay. Only then the swaying balance is equal on both the ends, right? Yes. Are
Yes.
you getting my point? So
Yes.
whatever we need, if we are adding over there, will add over there. If we are subtracting over there, we will subtract over there. If we are doubling on one side, we will double on the other side. If we are halving on one side, we will half on the other side. That is what we call as balancing of equation. And the idea came from where? The idea came from this simple weighing balance. Okay? Yes, Srihari, tell me.
So actually, it's wrong.
Wrong? How?
Equalize.
Huh?
So two bags, 6 in each, and then there's another set of them, so makes it 3 bags in one cube. And then here there are 2 bags, and then there are 2 bags and then 4 cubes, and that doesn't equalize.
Okay, wait.
How do
Let's
we-
make it simple. Let's make it very simple. Okay, everybody, let me make it very simple for you. Let's remove from here. Yes. What did I do? I removed 1 cube from here, so I'll remove 1 cube from here. Okay. I will remove 1 more cube from here, so I'll remove 1 more cube from here. 1 remove over here, 1 remove from here. Okay, 1 removed from here and 1 remove. Okay, what are they doing? Okay, so remove from here, remove from here, remove from here and remove from here, remove from here and remove from here. Okay, whatever I do to one side, I do it to the other side, and the weighing scale just remains balanced. Is this clear, everybody? Any doubts over
Sir,
here?
but over here, on the left side there are 2 bags, and on the right side there's 1 bag, 3 cubes.
Yes, I will make it simple. Wait, I will remove 1 bag from here. I'll remove 1 bag from here. Oops, wait. I'll remove 1 bag from here. So 1 bag is equals to how many blocks? 3 blocks. As simple as that. Okay. Yes. Are you able to understand this activity? Yes. Okay. So that's how it works. Okay. So let's take one more example. Yeah. So over here, what shall we do? Now I think you all can do. What shall we do? Come on, tell me. We have to keep only 1 bag on. Okay, what's our goal, everybody? Our goal is to have 1 bag on one side, right?
Sir,
That's our
can you
goal.
can you take the 1 cube from the right side and 1 cube from the other
Okay,
side?
okay,
So
I'll
you
do
can
that.
remove 1 bag from both
Now
sides.
it's balanced.
1 bag from both the sides I'll remove.
One from both sides, and you
Sir,
keep
again.
on there.
Okay,
And then
now,
keep on there.
so 1 bag is equals to 5. Okay,
5.
so what's our goal, everybody? Our goal is to
Find
isolate
one-
the unknown. What is our goal? Our goal is to isolate the unknown thingy. What is our unknown thingy? Our unknown thingy is the bag over here. We do not know how many cubes are in this 1 bag. Are you getting my point or not? Yes. How do we do that? By isolating the bag, 1 bag. By isolating 1 bag on one side. Is this clear, everybody? Yes. Now let's solve this with the help of our brain, not with this thing. Okay, let's reset. Okay, we are resetting this. Okay, now what's happening over here? We have what? We have how many bags on one side? 3 bags. Yes. Shall I call now, everybody? We do not know the amount of cubes in 1 bag. Do we know the amount of cubes in 1 bag? Yes or no? We don't. Right? So we are going to say that there are x cubes in 1 bag. Okay? How many cubes? X cubes in 1 bag. Okay? So on the one side of the equation there are how many? How many cubes are there on one side? How many bags are there? 3 bags. So there will be 3x cubes in
3x
these 3
plus-
bags. Yes, in
3x
these 3 bags, how many
3x
cubes?
plus 6.
3x cubes.
3x plus 6.
Okay, and separately there are how many cubes? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 3x plus 6 cubes. Okay, and is equal to what? 4 bags. That means
4
4
bags
multiplied by x plus
One.
plus 1.
Plus 1.
Okay, now what are we going to do? We are going to remove 1 on both sides. Okay, everybody, using our brain, we are going to okay, let's import it to OneNote. Okay, remind this remember this equation. 3x plus 6
Minus.
equals 4x plus 1. Okay, let's import this to 1 root. Okay, remember, have you remembered the equation? Because tell me the equation now. Okay, 3x
3x plus 6
Plus
equals
4x
4x plus 1.
plus 6
4x plus 1.
Okay, yes. Now we will do what? I'm going to subtract 1 on both the ends, because whatever I do to one end, I have to do to the other end. Otherwise, the equation will lose its equality. Right? 3x plus 6 minus 1. 4x plus 1 minus 1. Okay? 1 and 1 will just clear each other. Right? That is 0. Right? Okay? That will become 5. Right? Yes. So 3x plus 5. Is this clear, everybody? Yes. Now what will we do? We will subtract 5 on both the ends. Okay? Because our goal is to do what? Our goal is to isolate the variable. Right? Isolate the unknown. Okay? Wait, let's not do 5. Okay? Let's do one thing. That is, let's bring this 3x to the other side. How do we do that? By subtracting 3x on both sides. Okay? By subtracting 3x on both the ends. Okay? So 3x minus 3x will become 0. This becomes 5. 4x minus 3x will become x. So one bag has how many cubes? 5. We did it algebraically now. Previously we did it using the activity. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Yes? Okay. So that's how it works, everybody.